This is Monday, Friday. Stock market is open. As you can see, things are looking amazing. This is if you have interest in the stock market and want to learn how to buy and sell stocks and on the stock market, this is the best. This is one of the ways to learn how to buy and how to sell stocks. Like for example, today on this account, this is an example account, but the stocks is real. I'm talking about the name of these stocks is real. You're basically in a real market like this right here. SPX, all this is real company, but account itself is not real, so don't inbox me and ask me for money because I'm not rich. I'm just only rich. I'm only rich on paper. This is just for learning, for experimenting and how to learn how to buy and sell stocks. This is all real account. I'm talking about the account is real. The Tesla, as you can see, this is Tesla. Tesla is a company that makes cars. Google's right here. And this is also Meta. Meta, META, is Facebook. And if you go in, you can actually see the price is moving because it's a live market. It's a live market. The price goes up and down. Anyway, the point is, if you're interested in how to buy and sell stocks, and this is an amazing tools, amazing things you can use to learn how to buy and sell stocks. And all of these stocks that I have on this account is actually I just bought it a couple of days ago. Like this one, I bought it for it expires. This option stock, when you buy stocks on option, it expires. So this one expires on October 12th. So I bought it for until October 12th. I pay 54,000. And I made yesterday, I think I bought it yesterday, and right now I made over 38,500, 38,000 and $350, and it's just mind blowing, right? The amount of money that. So if you have, let's say I have 54,000 sitting in my account, it would make me almost nothing. But if you have it on stock market, you buy something, and the price goes up, and then of course your money also goes up. Like this is ETF. It's called ETF stocks. And this morning when the market opened, it was, the price is at $4,234. Right now is $4,300. So it basically went up by $42. And that $42, because I bought it, so many of these, it went up. I paid 54,000. It made me $43,000. Basically, almost more than half of what I put in. And so this is again the tool that you can use to learn how to buy and sell stocks. And I encourage you to learn how to do this, because this is one of the ways I know how to make money on this market today. So this is last week. If you look at this, this is the last 1 month. It went up. Whatever I buy on this account, it went up by 554,945, and it's just incredibly amazing amount. But it may not. Let me show you what I made. How much I made today, this week. This week, 561,258, and this is again account that people can use to learn how to. It goes up as we speak, it goes up and down as we speak, and this is a real stocks. If you Google all of these stocks, it's available online live, and this is a Spike. Spike Spike is also called ETF stocks. Nvidia is another one. Tesla, most everybody knows as is some of the company that I buy. This is what I'm showing you. I try to buy the good companies, what I looked as the good company, and based on what I value. So that this is Meta. Meta is a Facebook. QQ is also ETF stocks. Another chip company. AMD is computer chips. Sometimes they also use it to make weapons like missiles, bullet. The weapon that normally works with electricity, like a lot of weapons is programmed to work with electricity. I'm not a weapon expert, but I just buy whatever is making me the most money. So those are some of the company I just making huge return on. And this one, for example, actually I bought this yesterday. This one. That's how I'm buying. Most of my purchase is Spike, SPX. And the result, as you can see, it goes up. Like all of this I bought it yesterday. All of this from here to here, I bought it yesterday. And as you can see, on this one I lost $4,750. On this one I lost 11,660. But it doesn't matter because look at what I made: 45, 198, 220, 28, and this loss is covered 10 times by the return that you get from the other ones. You could go the other way too. You could life is not it's not, or nothing is guaranteed. But if you know what you're doing, I'm gonna leave a link on this Weibo. This is the website app that people use to have access to the stock market. The stock market, there's many different many different trading apps that is available. But what I'm using is Weibo. As you probably know, Weibo is show you Weibo. It's called Weibo. Whoa, it's showing up. I don't know why it's showing up, but let's see. So this is Weibo. Weibo. This is the app that I use, like a lot of people using this same app. Weibo. When you open, first time you open, so you basically buy and sell stocks on these apps. There's also this is the easiest one that I know. It's easy to use on the phone. Another one I know is also called I don't know if they still have it, but Ameritrade, Ameritrade. I think that they may have it. I'm not sure. Let's see. Let's just say Google the best stock market apps. As you can see, there says so this is what I recommend. I'm not familiar with the Robinhood, but I am familiar with this one, TD Ameritrade. TD Ameritrade is also one of the best apps. I mean, second, in my opinion, second to this one, Weibo. Weibo is just if you look at when I'm looking at, and I have to sell this one. This is just doing amazing. I think I should get out of this one. When I'm trying to sell it, I'm looking at the day, how many days I have until this thing expires. This one I have until the 12th. Today is 6, so I can get rid of it. I can sell it. I walk away. I walk away with extra 43,400. The second one I'm gonna sell is this one. This expired on October 9. So if I have to get rid of it right now, and I walk away with 187,000. And this one, October 24, I'm gonna hang on to it because this stock, my thinking behind this one is this price is right now, as you can see, it says 4,301. I'm thinking, like today it went up $42, but I'm thinking it's gonna go up to 4,500, or even if it goes up 100, because I bought a lot of it. For every dollar that it goes up, I make pretty good money. So I bought on this one, for example, I bought every quantity is because option when you buy options in stock trading, one is basically 100. So I bought 64 100. So 64 for every quantity. You see, you say 64, but in reality is 100 times 64. That's how much it is. How many times 64? Basically 6,400 shares, and the return is not too bad, pretty good. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna sell this one. I'll show you how to sell it. My goal is to get out of it right away. So to get out of it right away, I'm gonna sell it in a market price because I'm not losing any money, because that all that stuff, all this 180 is extra. So I'm not worried about losing money. So I'm gonna sell it right away. And I'm gonna go ahead and say sell. I just click on sell. What I'm gonna change is this one. I'm gonna change this one. And then I'm gonna change limit to market. So change it to market. So because I want to get out of it right away. And then this is a contract. I'm selling. See, for every one is a 100 share. This is what it says right here. So if you buy one, you actually, one is equals 100 share. So if you have 67 share, that means 67 times 100. if that makes any sense. I advise that you type in Google, Google or YouTube and learn about how to trade options, how to buy and sell options. Options basically spelled like this: P I O N, options. Option trade. TRADE. I know my handwriting sucks, but options. Trade. So anyway, type that in and learn how to do this quickly, so you can learn how to get these things going. So I'm gonna sell it. I'm gonna press sell, and it's gonna go. And how you know if it went through? It shows you if your order went through. If your order is good. If it shows this number here, right now it shows 0, but we'll see. I'm gonna refresh it. That's it. It went through. I sold it. That's great. Now, what else I'm gonna do? The next one that is gonna expire soon is this one, but this one is negative. I don't want to get out of it negative. This one is at October 9, expire October 9, but I'm negative 7,000. So it's no point trying to sell it at negative. And I'm gonna wait. I have a stop loss, what they call normally, and so that's how the market is today. If you want to learn how to do this, you download the apps and then you sign up, and after you sign up, don't register to get an option approved. Options, this is what you need. You cannot do this, get options. It's a button right there. Apply and get that approved. This is garbage. This is where it says stocks. If I try to buy stocks using that, let's say I bought 100 share and it goes up by $5, I'm only gonna make $5. But if I buy options and it goes up by $5, for every like 1 cent, or for every 50 cents, you're making $5 or more. It's basically multiply by 100. So get the option approved. I'm sure you will learn this when you go on YouTube or read something about how to buy and sell stocks and options. And I will also make a video on how to do options in the future. I just did the basic ones and tried to figure out how I could explain to people that are not that much familiar, but advise that you get used to it. Again, this is a real account, but the money is not real. You will figure out how this is. This is just for experiment, to learn how to buy and sell stocks, real stocks in the real stock market. But you're not using your money. You're not losing any money. Even if this thing goes to 0, you lose nothing, because this is just for experimenting, for training only, and it's available to everybody. Open this account. I'm gonna put a link in the descriptions, and just go on and learn how to do this, how to buy and sell stocks, learn everything about options, and then you'll be super you know, you'll be super comfortable, gain experience, and then you deposit your own money, start making money, and just be careful. And this is it for now. Until next time, follow us so that you don't get left out when another video shows up. Stay tuned.